Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the concrete troubleshooting steps to completely eliminate the frustrating HiTV application download and installation errors on your device. This annoying download roadblock usually triggers because of a corrupted application store data cache, an unstable internet routing signal, or restricted background permission locks preventing local hardware writes. To bypass this issue instantly, swipe down your notification tray, turn off your current Wi-Fi connection, toggle on your high-speed mobile data stream, and attempt to run the application installer script completely fresh. If the progress wheel remains totally frozen on your screen, back out to your desktop layout, launch your main System Settings application, and navigate directly into the comprehensive Apps Configuration submenu. Scroll deep through the system directory to locate your native Google Play Store or Apple App Store application profile entry, tap on it, select Storage Parameters, and forcefully clear out the temporary cache files to scrub away lingering database corruption. Next, ensure your smartphone hardware has adequate storage allocation by purging massive unneeded video files. Then navigate to your Device Security Settings tab to explicitly authorize installation access permissions for unknown application sources. Finally, fully restart your smartphone to flush out temporary memory buffer errors. Launch your updated App Marketplace dashboard, search for the official version of HiTV, and hit Install to let the application download flawlessly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.